Hello, everyone. This is Math Topics. This is Dr. Marrero. This is a classic question in calculus. Two curves, two quadratic functions, f of x and g of x. One is 2x squared, the other one is minus x squared plus 6x. And we have to find the area of the region R, which is the area between the curves, without using a calculator. First, this is integration, and this is important before I start the procedure. It's a classic question, and welcome to this playlist about classic mathematics culture, mathematics culture. What you need to know in order to have a strong foundation in math. If you have not watched the previous videos about this series, please do so. They are very interesting. I have videos so far about algebra, and now we are moving to calculus. What is the area under the curve? Integration. And when you have two curves, we are going to use integration here. And we are going to use the interval here. Let's put the interval here 0 to 2. Let me put it right there. So those are the, this is the subdivision. Okay, the main subdivision. What is integration? It's no more than the sum of the areas. The sum of the areas of the rectangle. That's the idea of integration. So we can say here, okay, number one, let's identify the curves. 2x squared, f of x, okay, is the parabola that opens upward. Okay, the lower curve. And minus x squared plus 6x, okay, is the parabola that opens downward, okay? This is the upper curve right here, upper and lower curve. So we are going to define the integral from 0 to 2, and we are going to subtract the upper curve. Let's put it inside the parenthesis here. Minus x squared plus 6x. And we are going to subtract the lower curve, which is 2x squared. So let's put this in a bracket. And remember, integration is the area of the rectangle, so we have to multiply by dx. Okay, this is a super important idea. No? That dx, remember the rectangles under the curve, okay, that we have f of x is one of the dimensions and dx is the second dimension of the rectangle. That's the reason that we have the dx there. So we have minus x squared plus 6x minus 2x. Step number one, so is the subdivision, the interval that we're working with, 0 to 2. So let me use the highlight here to show you that interval here, okay? And we have here the upper curve, right here, you can see it, okay? And we have the lower one down here, okay? That's the idea. And the region R is the question. We have to find the area of that region. So let's do some algebra massage here, okay? And we have here minus x squared plus 6x minus 2x squared dx. And we can combine like terms. So we have here minus x squared minus 2x squared is negative 3x squared plus 6x dx. And now we have integration rules. We have the power rule, the backward from, remember, differentiation and integrations are inverses operations. We can do that in the next step. So let's continue here. And we are going to apply here the rule, which is -3 x to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus 6x to the second power divided by 2. Okay. And remember, we are going to evaluate that for 0 and 2. So we cancel here. Let me put it right here. You have x to the power of 3 minus right here, don't forget, plus 3x squared evaluated for 0 and 2. So we are going to do the evaluation from 0 and 2. So just simplification, simple algebra simplification. And now we are going to substitute 2, okay, right here. Okay. And minus, let's put another bracket here, and we are going to substitute 0. Dx by 0. Okay, to the third power, to the second power. So right here we have 8, but 8 negative, plus 2 to the second power, which is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. All of this here is 0. So minus 0. So the answer here is 12 minus 8. Okay, all of this inside the bracket is 0. So very simple, this 12 minus 8 is equal 4. So the area of this region here is 4. What are you thinking? This is a classic problem that if you want to have culture in mathematics, needs to know, a must know procedure and a must know conceptual idea of integration as the area between the curves. So take a look. If you like it, give us a like and helps Math Topics. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join Math Topics memberships for more and more free resources. So the area between two curves right here is equal to 4. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.